Someone needs to remind food trucks that they're a food truck. I'm not paying over $2.50 for a taco. Who do I look like paying $4 for a small street taco? I'm not paying $6 for that. I'm sorry. The only place that I'll actually pay that sort of money for a nice taco is the Taco Amigo food truck in Columbus, Mississippi. Anyway, I was talking to my parents about, making friends and just encouraging them to, really dig into their community. And it's a good reminder to me to just be like, hey, the same principles that you take to make friends in your new place, big or small, they still apply. Find out what you enjoy and what you're into. And then go to events that are aligning with the things you enjoy, or create those events if you're into that. And then start engaging and talking to people who are at those events. And you don't even have to go to an event, right? It can be the same place that you go every week. You go to the same gym every week. You go to the same library every week. You're gonna start to see the same faces. But you have to put yourself out there and introduce yourself. And then little by little, you got yourself a new homie, a new friend, a new companion in life, maybe a new significant other. Who knows? God did not make us to be alone, okay? Life is so much better with people. I love you so much. And I'll talk to you later.